My name is Gary Shepard. I'm the general manager here at the Old Spaghetti Factory in Sherwood. The Old Spaghetti Factory is actually owned by one family that lives here in Portland, Oregon. They're very supportive in anything that will help the environment, sustainability. Washington County came out. We walked our property to kind of see where we could set up receptacles and recyclable bins and how it would fit in our footprint. We evaluated our trash pickup cycle. We evaluated the space in our trash area to see if we had room to put recyclable bins, food compost bins, and we evaluated how we work in the kitchen to see if it would be feasible for the staff to be able to compost without getting in the way of our procedures. Gregor from Washington County Metro came out, walked me through the process. We decided to have a few compost bins put in the kitchen. We adjusted our trash area to accommodate the compost bins. We decided to work one-on-one with the employees to show them how easy it would be to separate food scraps from other scraps. I really was pleasantly surprised that the staff was on board almost instantly.
It feels good working for a company that takes so much pride in their work and make a bigger impact outside of just their restaurant. They're helping not only their food cost and their food waste, but they're helping the planet.
So once we got rolling, it became pretty evident there was going to be a good fit for us and we were going to be able to do it without causing us any inconvenience in the kitchen or causing us more labor or causing us a problem. It was part of the work. The biggest tip is, I would say, go into it with an open mind. When I first was approached, I had a little bit of a closed mind about it. I wasn't really open to it, but after I reviewed the program, looked at it, and realized what it can do to reduce the amount of food scraps we have, you gotta go into it with an open mind, and you gotta really jump in and work the program just like you would anything else.